Hey everyone, want to chat with your favorite AI characters in a peace and quiet, or maybe you prefer reading over listening? No problem at all. Today's quick tutorial is all about how to easily turn off the voice feature on your character AI platforms. It's super simple and you will be typing in silence in no time. Let's jump right in. First of all, open your character AI app. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. So open your chat section. Here you can see my chats. Tap on the chat where you want to disable the voice. For example, I want to disable my chat on Cupid chat. Tap on Cupid. To turn it off, you can see an option over here. There's a cross under this. If you tap on it, it will open the voice feature. You can also use this play button over here to open the voice feature. And if you want to turn it off, simply tap on it. And as you can see, your voice is muted. And that's it. You have successfully turned off the voice feature. Now you can chat with your favorite AI characters. You will only see the text responses. Easy peasy, right? Hope this quick tutorial was helpful. Now you can customize your character AI experience exactly how you like it. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.